This is the viral ice cream jar recipe. It tastes exactly like the classic ice cream we used to buy from stores before many brands switched to frozen desserts. To start, pour in 1 cup of whipping cream and 4 tablespoons of condensed milk into the jar. We'll add the third ingredient later. Close the lid tightly and start shaking. Shake the jar continuously for at least 5 minutes. You're looking for the mixture to thicken to a soft peak consistency. Be careful not to overshake, because if you continue too long, the ice cream can separate and start turning buttery, which may cause ice crystals to form when frozen. Once the mixture reaches the right consistency, it's time to add your favorite flavorings. You can keep it classic with vanilla, make it fruity with strawberry syrup, or add some chocolate chips for extra texture and crunch. Close the lid again and place the jar in the freezer for at least 3 hours or overnight for the best texture. Once frozen, your homemade ice cream is ready to enjoy straight from the jar. And there you have it, quick and easy authentic homemade ice cream made in a jar using just 3 ingredients and no special equipment. If you enjoyed trying this viral ice cream recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more easy desserts, and let me know your favorite ice cream flavor in the comments down below.